You're making videos, putting in the work, but where are the paying clients? The difference between struggling video creators and those landing high-paying clients comes down to 3 simple secrets. If you don't know them, you'll stay stuck. But once you apply them, everything changes. Before we dive in, if you're serious about leveling up your video career, hit that like button and subscribe. Every week, I break down storytelling and business strategies to help video creators grow. All right, let me get to work. Most videographers struggle because they focus on the wrong things. They think upgrading to a $5,000 camera or mastering new editing tricks will magically get them better jobs. But clients don't pay for cameras, they pay for results. If your video doesn't help them grow their business, increase sales, or drive engagement, they won't pay top dollar. It's that simple. So how do you start making videos that actually get you paid? Let's break it down. There are 3 things that separate struggling creators from those landing premium clients. Let's go through them. Number 1, solve a client's real problem. Instead of pitching a cool video, say, this video will increase your brand's engagement and drive more leads. Shift your mindset. You're not just a videographer, you're a problem solver. Number 2, make your work look premium, even on a budget. Lighting, sound, and intentional storytelling matter more than fancy cameras. Look at major filmmakers. They use story framing, sound design to create impact. It's not just about expensive gear. Focus on composition, clean audio, and strategic editing to elevate your production value. Number 3, sell yourself as a storytelling expert, not a videographer. High-end clients don't just want a video, they want a compelling narrative that moves their audience. Introduce yourself as a storytelling expert who crafts storytelling content, not just someone who presses record. When you follow these 3 steps, clients will see you as an investment, not an expense. They won't haggle over price, they'll ask, when can you start? So where do you start? It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. You need to shift how you approach your work, your clients, and your business. The best way to do this, have a clear roadmap. If you're ready to start charging more and positioning yourself as a high-value creator, I've got 3 resources for you. Number 1, watch my free training. This workshop breaks down the exact storytelling framework high-paying clients are looking for. It's 100% free. You can click on the link below and watch it right now. Number 2, take my master course. If you're serious about building a sustainable video business, my full Start with Story, End with Wow course will walk you through the process step by step. And number 3, get one-on-one coaching. Want personalized feedback on your work and pricing strategy? Book a one-on-one coaching session. Let's refine your approach to land premium clients. Hit the link below, explore these resources, and let's start turning your videos into a high-paying career. Ready for the takeaway? The truth is, clients aren't rejecting your price, they're rejecting what they think they're getting for that price. If they see you as just another videographer, they'll always try to get you for cheap. But when you position yourself as a strategic storyteller who solves real problems, clients don't hesitate, they invest. Want to go deeper? My master course, Start with Story, End with Wow, gives you the full roadmap to creating videos that get clients to say yes. And if you want personalized help fine-tuning your pricing, my one-on-one coaching will get you there faster than just trial and error. Thanks for watching.